begin our journey 100 meters below the surface of the Earth, in the LHC tunnel. Behind us is the ATLAS experiment, and we are travelling towards the Alice cavern. The blue cylinders on our left are cryostats, which house the dipole magnets. The grey parts contain the quadrupole and sextupole magnets. Some of the magnets are connected to the cryogenic distribution line, or QRL, that supplies the machine with superfluid helium. Along the sides of the tunnel run various supply lines. From left to right we see telecommunication lines, the secure electrical supply line, the monorail line, pipes for distilled water, compressed air, and finally helium. This part of the tunnel has been cut away to show its components, notably the cryogenic supply line shown in red. Behind us you can see the PM18 shaft that houses cryogenic equipment. We are now coming back to the surface, along the pipes that connect equipment in the tunnel to that in building SD18. LINAC 4 is CERN's new linear accelerator, being built to replace LINAC 2. From here you can see the building that houses LINAC 4, with its foundation shown in grey. We are now entering the klystron hall. The green cylinders are the klystrons. On the right, in green and yellow, are the electrical power and control units. At the end of the hall, in blue, is the main entrance through which all the components of the machine will be brought. We are now entering the tunnel. The distance between the source and the accelerator chain is 150 meters. You can see in grey at the end the Faraday cage which contains the source of the particles that will travel through the accelerator chain. Beams of particles are accelerated with increasing energy by going through over 40 cavities, such as the drift tube LINAC we can see in red, followed by the cell-coupled drift tube LINAC seen in grey, and finally the pi mode structure shown in pink. Seen in red, the dump absorbs the unused bunches of particles. Other beams are steered down a transfer line to the booster, which is part of the PS complex. We are now going through the wall to exist in LINAC 2. The particles continue in their journey towards the booster. The purple magnet joins LINAC 4 and the booster. We now finish our tour with an overview of the PS complex, with the LINAC 4 building in the background.